Christina joins us now along with board-certified dermatologist Dr. Sonia Batra. Christina, I know that this isn't easy.
Hello, squirrel.
You're here at our stage.
Hello, squirrel.
Without makeup.
This is hard. The only person that's seen me without makeup is my mom. So,
What you want, squirrel? What you want?
sharing my story will help others with the same story.
Peanuts? I got no peanuts.
Person, I know you're dealing with a skin condition, but you're beautiful.
Thank you so much.
You want scarlet? You want scarlet?
This is why you're here. Obviously, you have the beautiful technology of laser, which can really help. Now, you already have that.
Hey, scarlet.
So why don't you talk us through as you start treatment on, what this treatment does?
You want to see him? You want to go see him? No. You're gonna fight. Gonna fight with the squirrel. Poor Scarlet. Poor Scarlet. Oh, dear me. Oh, squirrels are getting brave. Hey, squirrel. Hey, squirrel. I don't want to let you out, Scarlet, with that squirrel. Gonna get in a fight. You're gonna come in the house. You're gonna come in the house. Yeah.
Answer questions both at the same time. And the reason the cream is on is just because lasers can be a little painful. It's like a little snap with a rubber band. And Sonia, in this particular case with Christina,